Okay, next step is personnel management, personnel administration, personnel data, address information, data, forms of address. Okay, I mean, these are basically the forms of address. The other address, like permanent address, we'll see that also. That is nice. This is personal data. Resident status, non-resident, resident, info type. Zero zero 0048. Okay. Seasonal residents, permit with employment, frontier commuter, UK nationals, and so on. So you can have different kinds of authority to establish business. I mean, these can be the resident status as per the visa any employee has. Addresses, address types, temporary residence, permanent address, what we actually need. Benetton, present address 3 will just use this. Copy as HN. We have HNCA. Okay. High noon current address. Present address. Save. Okay, let me just take a snapshot. So what is this 2 and 3? 2 and 3 is time lapse or time overlapping, whether this can be available or not. For example, present address can be just a second. Present address for a person can be overlapping because he has two present addresses, like his own personal address where he's keeping his family, the other is where he's keeping his relatives or mother or anyone, or maybe second wife. That can be other present address. So that can overlap as well. Okay. Time management. Okay. Next comes in time management. Now we'll look at the um, work schedules. Work schedule, define public holiday classes. Public holidays display, this is not client specific. Okay. Public holiday labor class. Oh, okay, change. Okay, now Labor Day for Benetton is with fixed date. On Labor Day, May 1. Okay, we can create our own. Okay, with fixed date, create day 01, 05, 05, guaranteed, not guaranteed. I mean, it cannot fall on a fixed date. Okay, AEE, it has no religious domination, public holiday class. Ordinary public holiday. Holiday name will be HN01. High noon, Labor Day, May 1. Okay, public holiday was entered. Holiday calendar, change down. Okay, USA, this is the public calendar for US. We can have our own as well. So what we'll do, P1 for Bennett will go another one. And we can assign holidays as well. So what we'll do, we can create our own. It will be valid from previous year to 2030, assign holiday, and high noon, Jinnah's death anniversary, and what else? We can also add like Australia Day, whatever actually is first April, not first April, Independence Day, assign public holidays. So we can actually assign public holidays like this, and this will be valid from 1900 to 2173. Okay, save. Save. Okay. Factory calendar, change. E1. HN. 30, because our holidays are valid till 30, right? HN. HN. Factory dates out from 1900. Save. Save. So work days are from Monday to Friday. Okay. Factories can have all work days except for public holiday, but it depends on what your requirement is, but you have the option. Liberty. Okay. Okay. Factory calendar is done. Okay. Personal sub area grouping. This is an important part. Now, sub area grouping basically personal sub areas are factory and office. Okay. Personal area is your geographic